crazy. The turn is constantly the distance between as the base pair of the helix is approximately 0.34 nanometer. And for the plane of the base pair of the strut is over other and double helical, and this is basic structure of a structure. Compare the structure of a purine and pyrimidine. Can you find why the distance between the two polypeptide and the chain in DNA remain almost constant? Can you find why the distance between two polynucleotide chain in a DNA remain almost constant? So find करते हैं. The proposition of the double helical structure of a DNA and simplicity and explain the genetic implication become a revolutionary very soon. Francis Crick proposed the central dogma of the Memphis. This is very important. Francis Crick proposed and the central dogma of the molecular biology, which stated as the genetic information for the DNA and the protein, which is stated as the genetic information for a DNA, RNA, protein. Now that's very important. Now it is very important. This is very important. This is very important. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Molecular basis of inheritance in some various of the flower information in a reverse direction. That is the form of RNA to the DNA. Can you suggest the simple name of the process? Simple name of the process. Okay, suggest करें. Packaging of a DNA helix. Packaging of a DNA helix. Take the distance between us the consequently base pair as 0.3 meter, 0.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter is the length of a DNA double. Helix is a simple and multiplying the total number of base P between the base pair. The distance between the constant base pair that has 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair and 0.3 into 10 to the power 9 meter base pair. Okay, base pair. Come in approximately to 2.2 meter, and the length for the greater and demonstrably for the long cell. How is such a long polymer packed to the cell? ये मैंने ना बता देख लेना. If the length of E. coli is a DNA If the length of E. coli DNA is 1.36 meter, can you calculate the number of base pair of E. coli? Can you calculate the number of base pair of E. coli? Not calculate that kind of thing. In a prokaryote such as E. coli, in a prokaryote such as E. coli, that do not have to define the nucleus. The DNA is not scattered. Third of the cell and the DNA being negatively charged. It held with some protein and have a positive charge. In addition to term as a nucleotide, the DNA nucleotide organizes a large group held by the protein. In eukaryote, this organism is much more complex. This is set of the positively charged base, the protein called histone. In a eukaryote, this organization is much more complex. There is set of positively charged bases protein called histone. The protein acquires charge depending upon the abundance of the amino acid residues which charge side chains. Sunshine histidines are the rich at the basis of amino acid glycine and arginine. Glycine and arginine, both the amino and the residue carry the positive charge on the side of the chain with histidine and original form of the unit of 8 molecular called histidine orthomer. Histidine orthomer. The negatively charged DNA wrapped around the positively charged histidine chromatid forms the structure for the nucleosomes. And a typical nucleoside is contained 22 pair of helix nucleoside constitute the chromosome. The thread and light colored in the body and a repeating unit structure and a nucleoside called chromatin. The thread-like string color and the body see in a nucleus. The nucleus is a chromatin seen a braid on a string structure were under the electron microscope. Electron microscope as electron microscope. Theoretically, how many such as bed neurosomes do you have imagined are present in a mammalian cell? Theoretically, how many such a beds nucleosome do you imagine are present in a mammalian cell? The bed on a string structure in a chromatin. The bed on a string structure in a chromatin is packaged to form a chromatin. The chromatin fiber is a further chromide and constitute of the metabolic phase. The cell of division to form a chromosome and a package of chromatin is highly level require an additional set of bacteria collectively to be referred as. So हमारी बैटरी डाउन हो रही है, हमको नींद भी आ रही है, खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करो. No student chromosome H and Cl protein are a typical nucleus sum of the radials and a chromatin to choose and likely. Electrochromatin is a chromosome is a more densely unpacked with a strain and part called estrogen and it is said to be transcriptionally active chromatin where the heterochromatin is inactivated. Now let's complete it by